cute valentines hearts. You will need gel polish colors: off-white, pink, black. Top coat, thin liner brush. Apply your first layer thin and evenly. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Apply your second layer. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw a triangle and colorize. Draw two bows and colorize. You can make your heart a little bigger. You can cure between the hearts for 30 seconds. When your gel polish runs out quickly, cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Draw little hearts in your cured pink hearts. You could again cure between hearts. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Top coat. Cure for 60 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Love these cuties. Please subscribe on my channel, lovelies.